amener, emmener, apporter, emporter. They are quite similar and they can all translate to bring. How confusing. Hey everyone, I'm Dylan and I'm here to teach you and help you with your French. Today we are going to focus on those 4 different verbs and we are going to see 2 different ways. For the first part, we are going to focus on the verb mener and porter, and then we are going to add things at the front. And on the second part, we are going to focus on the beginning, so which is a and em. It's important to see 2 for this one because they both complete each other. You will see it will make more sense when we see everything. So let's start with mener and then we are going to see porter right after. Mener here translates to lead. This is very important to remember. So here we are going to use mener for people, animals, and things that can move by themselves. Okay? So you're leading them. Very important to remember. If we add a before mener, we have amener. If we add em before, we have emmener. But before seeing examples for each, don't forget that you can get the free PDF of this lesson. The link is in the description box. So amener, like I said, for people, animals, and things that can move by themselves. For example, j'amène mon chien au vétérinaire. J'amène mon chien au vétérinaire. For emmener, on emmène nos parents au Brésil. On emmène nos parents au Brésil. And I know that you probably think that we could use amène also for this one. We technically can't. I will explain you that in the second part of the video. So that's for to lead with mener. Now we can see the exact same thing with porter, to carry. Okay? Mener was for everything that can move by themselves. Porter is for everything that can't. So for object and injured people or animal who can't move by themselves. So we have, if we add a before and technically another P, but that's another story. We have apporter, and if we add en, we have emporter. So that all that things that you can carry. It's an image, okay? There are things that you cannot technically carry, but it's the process. Let's say that, it's the process. If you go to a party, someone might ask you, tu apportes quelque chose à la soirée? Tu apportes quelque chose à la soirée? If you bring a cake, a bottle of wine or anything, the bottle of wine or the cake, they're not moving. They're not walking to the party by themselves. Okay, you have to carry them and bring them. Make sense? Then for emporter, we have j'emporte un café tous les matins. J'emporte un café tous les matins. Even if you like your coffee very strong and that thing could technically walk by itself, it's not gonna happen. You have to take it with you. Okay, so porter. J'emporte. Also, let me know in the comment section if you like those new colors that I'm using. I'm trying to use, a new color for each verb type of thing. And let me know if you like it. So that was for the first part, okay? Remember, mener is to lead for the things that can move by themselves. And then porter is to carry for the things that can't, that you have to carry. Because now we are going to focus also on the beginning of the word, which is a or em. Everything with a before is going to focus on the destination. And if you are going to leave what you're bringing there. Make sense? Let's see an example. J'ai amené ma voiture au garage ce matin, je la récupère demain. J'ai amené ma voiture au garage ce matin, je la récupère demain. Here we have amener. Do you remember amener is from mener, to lead. Technically, a car cannot move by itself, but it's still something that technically moves by itself. So this one is a little bit of a gray area. This is why I added it here, just to make sure that you use the correct one for this one. but mener, to lead. J'ai amené ma voiture au garage ce matin, je la récupère demain. You are leaving the car there. You're not staying with it. J'ai amené ma voiture. Apporter is the exact same principle as long as what you are bringing, you have to carry it. Elle apporte toujours un gâteau quand elle vient. Elle apporte toujours un gâteau quand elle vient. Once again, the cake is not going to walk by itself to wherever you're going. Okay? And technically, you're not going to bring the cake back with you either. So, elle apporte toujours un gâteau quand elle vient. So when it's a, you are going to leave it there. Okay? Remember it as a is only one letter. So there's only one way. It doesn't come back. Okay? Because now we are going to see with a M in front, which is two letters. Two letters, you guess it, you are going to bring them back. Two way. You're bringing them there, you're bringing them back. So you focus on where you are coming from, and also you are going to stay with what you're bringing there. And you're going to, bringing them back. Let's see. L'institutrice emmène les enfants à la piscine. L'institutrice emmène les enfants à la piscine. Well, she's going to stay there, and she's going to come back with them. She's not going to leave them at the pool. Okay? Once again, we use mener because, well, they can just, walk by themselves. And then we have emporter, which is the exact same thing. We have em in front. Let's see. Les déménageurs ont emporté tous les cartons. Les déménageurs ont emporté tous les cartons. So they took them away, and then they're gonna bring them somewhere. And they carry them. That makes sense? Because you're not hiring mover just to take things away, usually. They're going to bring them back somewhere else. Okay? So remember that. Remember mener and porter. So mener to lead, porter to carry. And then we have a, which is one way. I'm going to leave it there. Or we have en, which is a two-way. Either you come back or you go to another point. Whatever. But remember this. And that's it for today. I really hope it helped you. I got that question many, many times in the comment section. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment section. I will either maybe make a video about your question or help you as much as I can in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps me. And I will see you on Wednesday, next Wednesday, for a new lesson. À mercredi prochain.